In this video, I'm going to show you how I turn long-form content like webinars and lectures into bite-sized branded clips that actually get watched. If you are trying to grow your presence on social media platforms, this is honestly the fastest and least stressful way to get it done. First, create a new project and simply upload your video file or paste a link to get things started immediately. The system handles the transcription automatically and does it with impressive accuracy, so you never have to waste time wrestling with manual timelines. Next, let the AI scan your footage to identify high-energy moments, clever punchlines, and the most engaging soundbites. You can choose the automated option to prioritize clips that have the highest potential to perform well on your social channels. For single camera shots, just set the view to track the active speaker so the framing looks perfect in vertical formats. If your source material has multiple camera angles, simply toggle the multicam setting to let the AI pick the best shot for every moment. In the repurposing section, tell the system how many clips you need and what length works best for your strategy. I usually aim for 3 to 5 short clips, as that duration is ideal for keeping attention while landing a clear point. Choose a vertical template layout, since most mobile platforms prioritize portrait video these days. Review the suggested clips, which come pre-titled with helpful details like their length and a virality score. If everything looks great, just accept them to create individual compositions, or discard anything that doesn't fit your needs. Now it is time to make sure your branding is consistent by building custom templates that reflect your unique style. Make sure to add captions since so many people watch videos on mute, and definitely drag in your logo so your content is recognizable. You can adjust the position and size of every element and use the layer panel to keep your properties organized. Consistency is key here, so try to keep your caption style and color palette the same across your entire series. When your template is finished, save it and give it a clear, descriptive name so your team can easily find it later. You can also adjust privacy settings to keep your templates private for drafts or share them across your entire team. Collaboration is a huge part of the process, so be sure to use the comment and tagging features to get feedback from your social media team. By keeping that feedback tied directly to the clip, you avoid the headache of jumping between different apps. For scaling content, use the built-in auto-schedule feature to handle the heavy lifting of posting across your platforms. You can set your posting frequency, preview the calendar, and shuffle posts around if your strategy needs a quick change. This approach completely replaces the manual, exhausting process of clipping, branding, and then posting everything by hand. You can even customize caption appearances for different platforms while keeping the same visual branding template. This means you are only creating one master asset, which saves you a ton of storage space and time. Pro tip, save multiple scene layouts within a single template to quickly switch between styles for different platforms. Don't be afraid to reuse the same core clip across platforms. Just change up the crop or the caption length to suit each audience. If you need approval, just send a share link to your team so they can review and comment without downloading any heavy files. Ultimately, the goal is to create organic content that performs well because the AI found the most compelling moments. The best part is that the AI learns your preferences, so the more content you process, the better the future suggestions become. To recap, upload your video, use the AI to find viral moments, apply your branded templates, and auto-schedule the final result. If you want to scale your content without losing your mind, this workflow is the absolute best way to stay organized. Give this a try on one of your next long videos and you will be amazed at how many clips you can generate. That is it for this walkthrough, so go start making your clips and let the algorithm do the heavy lifting.